sir. Let's go with the scheme team. Man, we about to just go for a little drive. It's wet out. It's summer, bro, and it's raining. I'm just gonna turn up real quick. We're finna do a little Q&A. We're finna do a little driving. Hopefully my tires don't go flat. We definitely low. We low on them boys, but it's good. Let's see what we can do real quick. Let's warm up that e-brake. Crackheads and shit back here. Oh, like butter. Oh yeah. Sloppy there. Oh yeah. Damn, I love this car. See that boy? Out the way. Get out the way. Get your ass out the way. We turn it up. Like that, we out of there. This shit's crazy. So we're gonna do a little Q&A though. My adrenaline going and shit. Motherfuckers was recording, bro. That shit is hilarious. So if you follow me on IG, I posted on my story. Let's turn the heat on. I posted on my story to ask me questions and shit. So we're gonna answer a couple questions. Yo, that was me recording? Oh, shit. Yo, that's hilarious. The dude that was just recording me fucking messaged me. That's insane. Bro, my tires are literally about to pop. Wait, is this the photographer guy? It is. I'm about to go back and talk to him actually. Hey, I'm gonna tap in with y'all when I'm gonna go talk to him real quick because we gotta do a shoot. And then we're gonna finish this Q&A. Alright, we out of here now. That's crazy how I just ran into the guy that I've been trying to book a shoot with. That is fucking wild. So, he gave me some good news and bad news. I'm going with the bad news first. Bad news is, motherfuckers think I'm a takeover nigga, bro. I'm like, fuck. He's like, nah. He's like, some people were shit talking you, like saying he's a takeover guy. I'm like, no. It's cool though. I'm with the festivities. If niggas is turning up at a meet, I might turn up too. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Everybody love the man. That video is just so fucking viral of me that it's hard to dethrone it when it's the most popular video of you on the internet. But anyways, it's cool. Where are these questions at? Where are these questions at? We have some good questions. somewhere. Let's see. There we go. Slow_SC. Why is your car so sexy? Man, this shit is fucking ugly. I'm finna pull over. I'm about to pull over and show you how ugly this fucking car is, bro. Watch this shit. Look how fucking ugly this car is, dude. I don't know what you're talking about. Look at this shit. What the fuck is that? Look at this shit. What is that? Come on, man. This thing is not clean. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at the fitment. What is this? Dirty ass fog lights. What is that? Nah, but payway_no way. 1J swap? Yes. I'm gonna say yes. 1J swap, bro. This motor is so fucking reliable. It may never blow up. We have 7 miles until we had 225. Let me make sure I'm still recording. Yeah, we still going. This motor's so fucking reliable, bro. I might not ever be able to 1J swap it. This shit just keeps going and going and going, bro. Cookie or cook. Man, I can't say that. So the SC completely stock, even stock diff. Yeah, so perfect timing. All I got is long tube catless headers. Everything else is stock. I even have stock suspension. And then we got a welded diff, that's it. And we just be hooning and shit. So, we still recording? Yeah, we still going. Takeovers, yay or nay? Oh my God, why are these questions so relevant to what's going on right now? Takeovers? No. But like, when Takeovers first started, I'm not gonna cap, I was at Takeovers when I first started, bro. But I understood like the impact on the community and shit. Blocking the intersection, blocking motherfuckers trying to get home, get to the hospital. I understand now, I'm grown. It's just not cool. So yeah, back in the day, but nah, because we grown, bro. It's hard to fit in the car community as an African American. Ooh. In Seattle, I would say no, because it's so diverse here. But you definitely gotta watch these motherfuckers. They be racist, bro. So they be hating for no reason. But it's definitely hard to find other black enthusiasts out here. I'm currently trying to do that for my group skiing, and I literally cannot find anybody. So if you are where I'm at, hit me up, man. Jazz talking about how did I get the dent. Girl, get out of here. Oh, here go the dent right here. Look at this shit. Man, I'm gonna beat Jazz ass. What we got? One wheel pill. What are you gonna change on this car look-wise in the future? Damn, I love this question. That is a great question. I'm gonna do, so I basically have like a BN rep kit. I want to get authentic BN. Or even if I find a rep kit that looks like the authentic one, it's like a little lower, it just comes down more. I'm gonna add some front camber. I'm gonna add some front camber in the front. You know, just make it look like a sled. So I'll probably change out the rear bumper, and then I want to get a stock front end, because I love how the stock front end look with the little lip on it. Got any spare parts you want to sell? Nah, I don't got none right now, bro. My fault. Favorite thing about the SC? Ooh, I love that question. That's a dope question right there. I'm gonna show you right now. Let me reach in here. Press something. Oh, favorite thing right here. Come on, it's my favorite thing about the SC, besides the reliability and the looks of it, of course. Angle kit on the SC. 1J swap, yes. I'm gonna do a Toyota Soar one so I can just bolt it right in and go though. Get on it, get on it, get on it. Ah, he ain't getting on it. Yeah, I don't know, my GoPro is just not charging. I got a fucking 7 black. So I definitely need to upgrade that shit, but that's gonna be it for this video, man. I want to make it longer, bro. I was just gonna drive around and shit, but my fucking GoPro is shit. So hopefully y'all watch this all the way to the end so I can get some watch time hours so we can get monetized and we can start making some money to put back into this car. That's all I want to do with this channel. Some money I make from it, put it back into this car. The angle kit, the 1J swap, all of that'll be funded. But shout out to the scheme team, man. We go.